Hello everyone, how to tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to fix that your YouTube videos like count is not showing. So how to fix it? So first of all, you need to install YouTube Studio. Then you can see it's Studio. Then log in your account. Then choose the videos. That videos here not showing your like count. So simply tap on your videos and then tap on the pencil icon, you can see, and then scroll down. Then you can see here the last one, tags and short. Simply tap here and then you can see here show how many viewers like this video. So if it's not marked, then tap here to mark, and it means that now your like count is visible to everyone. So today's no more, and see you in the next video.